Miami, a sunshine paradise, written by Samantha Brown. Miami is a top vacation spot known for its vibrant culture and endless sunshine. Every year, many people visit this sunny city drawn by its unique charm and energy. They come for the beautiful beaches, the delicious food, and the exciting nightlife. From sunbathing on the sandy shores to dancing the night away under neon lights, Miami offers something for everyone. This guide is for you if you are planning a trip to Miami. Whether it's your first visit or you're a seasoned traveler, there's always something new to discover. It will help you plan your trip, ensuring you make the most of your time in this vibrant city. You'll discover the best places to see, from the iconic Ocean Drive to the stunning Art Deco buildings in Miami Beach. You'll also learn how to fit it all into one day, making sure you don't miss any of the must-see attractions. Planning a trip can be hard, especially when there are so many options to choose from. There are so many things to see and do. From cultural landmarks to hidden gems, Miami is packed with attractions. It's even harder when you only have a short amount of time, but with the right planning, you can experience the best of Miami without feeling rushed. But don't worry, this guide will help. With detailed itineraries and insider tips, you'll be able to relax and enjoy your trip to Miami to the fullest. Your one-day Miami adventure. Miami has something for everyone, from stunning beaches to vibrant neighborhoods. Let's look at some of the best places to visit during your one-day adventure in this lively city. South Beach. This is Miami's most famous beach, known for its lively atmosphere and beautiful shoreline. It's known for its colorful lifeguard stands and Art Deco buildings that add a unique charm to the area. You can swim, sunbathe, or just people watch. The beach is always buzzing with activity. Art Deco Historic District. Take a walk back in time and admire the stunning architecture. This area has over 800 buildings from the 1930s and 1940s, each with its own story. The pastel colors and unique designs are amazing to see, making it a photographer's paradise. Little Havana. Experience Cuban culture in the heart of Miami. Listen to live music, drink Cuban coffee, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere. Don't forget to try a Cuban sandwich, a local favorite that will tantalize your taste buds. Wynwood Walls. This outdoor art museum features huge murals by artists from around the world, showcasing a diverse range of styles and themes. It's a colorful and creative place to explore, perfect for art lovers and those looking to be inspired by street art. Making the most of your time. Now let's put together your one-day itinerary. Morning, start your day at South Beach. Enjoy the cool morning air and watch the sunrise over the ocean. Then take a walk along Ocean Drive and admire the Art Deco buildings. Afternoon, head to Little Havana for lunch. Try a Cuban sandwich and a café con leche. Afterward, explore the neighborhood and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Evening, finish your day at Wynwood Walls. Take your time admiring the murals and taking pictures. Many great restaurants are in the area if you're hungry. Miami's must-see spots. This itinerary is just a suggestion. You can change it to fit your interests. For example, if you love art, you might want to spend more time in Wynwood Walls. If you're interested in history, the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens is a beautiful place to visit. This grand estate has stunning architecture and gardens. It offers a glimpse into Miami's past. No matter your interests, you will have an amazing time in Miami. Your perfect Miami itinerary starts here. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Miami has something for everyone. Here are some extra tips to your day. First, transportation. Navigating Miami can be a breeze if you know the best ways to get around. Miami traffic can be heavy, especially during peak hours, so consider using public transportation or ride-sharing services to save time and stress. The Metro Mover is a free train that connects downtown Miami with Brickell and Omni districts. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to explore the city. Plus, it offers scenic views of the city, making your commute enjoyable. Next, let's talk about the weather. Miami is warm and sunny year-round, but it can also rain unexpectedly. The tropical climate means you should always be prepared for sudden weather changes. Pack essentials like sunscreen, sunglasses, a hat, and a light raincoat to stay comfortable no matter what the weather brings. And finally, let's not forget about the food. Miami is a foodie's paradise. The city's diverse culture is reflected in its vibrant culinary scene. Be sure to try some local specialties like Cuban sandwiches, key lime pie, and fresh seafood. Each dish offers a unique taste of Miami's rich heritage and flavors. Miami memories in the making. Miami is a city full of energy, culture, and beautiful beaches. This itinerary will help you create unforgettable memories. From the vibrant streets of Little Havana to the colorful murals of Wynwood walls, Miami will captivate your senses. What are your favorite things to do in Miami? Share your tips and ask any questions you might have. Let's help everyone experience the best of Miami.